don't know about you, but I hate when I get a nice piece of salmon and then it has the skin under it. It's just not appealing to me. So I'm going to show you right now a very quick hack how to remove the skin before you cook the salmon. So I have 2 fresh pieces of salmon here, and I have some boiling hot water, and I'm just pouring the water over the skin. You just want to keep pouring it. While you're pouring it, you're gonna see the skin kind of raising, like, you know, so that it will be released really easy. Now I am just peeling that off. You just pull it gently. Now I learned how to do this years ago in culinary school. We actually used a knife and cut it, but I feel like I lose some of the salmon that way. I haven't mastered that skill, so this way is so easy. I really hope that you guys try this for people who don't like that skin under their salmon. So this is my finished salmon. I made some nice glazed salmon here, so yeah, you could just do that, you know, just to have a nice clean piece of salmon on your plate without all that extra skin on there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel and video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.